So I'm back with another case video for the iPhone 13 Pro Max, so let's check it out. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So what I have here today is the Caudabe Sheath. I hope I pronounced that right, Caudabe. And this is a case I have seen for a while. I wanted to get my hands on. Now it is a little bit more difficult to get this in the UK, but I managed to get this through a friend, so thanks very much for that. So yeah, let's check this out because this is a case I've wanted to check out for a while. So let's see, and there we are. So it says here on the box, drop tested from 2 meters or 6.6 feet, MagSafe compatible and a textured grip. So, and there we go. And just a wee bit of info in the box. Fine and dandy. I have been using the Pitaka MagSafe Pro on my iPhone, and I'll be honest, I find it very hard to use anything different other than this case. So I'm going to take this off, and there we go, tasty. And first off, first impressions. Now this case, it does seem to be very good quality. The textured grip is all over the case, even down the sides and on the back and on the top as well. We've got a pretty good camera bump here, pretty good camera bump to protect that camera, which is pretty important. And then on the inside, again, minimalist perfection, and that is highlighting the MagSafe ring as well. Genuine Caudabe product, manufactured with Shocklight. I will say, I do really like this textured feel. I do like grippy cases. So, there we go. So, first impressions into the phone itself. And now I have a screen protector on my phone, and it does still give me a little bit of lip up over the screen protector as well, which is pretty good. The buttons on the side are very, very good. And then again, we have our cutout here for the cameras as well. This camera bump, which gives you a good bit of protection there. I'm not sure what way you can sort of see that, but the lenses don't come up over the bump, which is pretty good. So there we go. And then on the back, then if we put it onto its back, so there is a little bit of rock in it due to that camera bump. I'm sure you can see there. But I will say, now this does strangely feel a little bit slimmer than the Pitaka case, if I'm being honest. It's a strange feeling, but that textured grip is very, very good. I must say, I can't really fault that whatsoever. And yeah, even with a screen protector. Now, if I didn't have a screen protector on this phone, I think the lip would be a little bit bigger. But the fact that I have a screen protector on there, sort of, you still get a little bit of a lip, and when the case is down flat, your screen's still not touching the surface, which is great. That's really, really good. I really, really like that. It's grippy. It does feel a little bit slimmer, and it does feel a little bit easier to hold than the Pitaka case at times, if I'm being truthfully honest. And anybody that follows me on this channel or follows me on social media, on Twitter, for example, I love this case, this Pitaka case. It is first class. I have struggled to find a case which is of the same sort of quality as this, as well as durability. And yeah, this definitely has that. I think the only thing we need to do now is do a MagSafe test. See how strong these magnets are. And I'm back. MagSafe stuff. So, if you haven't checked out my video already for the Pitaka case, I give it a thorough MagSafe test. I literally swung the phone around me with cables and stands and all sorts of stuff, and the magnets they're a bit next level, to be honest. So I'm intrigued to see what the magnets are like in the Caudabe for sure. So first off, let's stick it onto our stand here. So ooh, this isn't a Pitaka case, Michael. Wow. Okay, so the magnets aren't as strong on this case as the Pataka, and I'll be honest, I don't think there's any case out there which is as strong a magnets as the Pataka, to be honest. But when it's on the device, it's not going anywhere, it does the job. And what I do find quite a lot of the time with the Pataka case is that when it's on the likes of a stand, when I go to lift it off, I'm sort of taking the stand with me, and I'm sort of having to put my hand on it to take it off. Now this literally just detaches relatively easy, but it still is firm enough when it's on there, so I suppose that's not a bad thing in a way. I'm just that used to Pataka magnets now, to be honest. I just sort of wasn't expecting it to fall the way it did. Be alright, be fine. My anchor stand, and then this is the ESR charging puck. So did it again. I mean, I can pick up the weight of the phone with it, and obviously without, if I jig it, it's going to fall off. But I mean, it is still decent. It's not like, if I'm being honest, the Spigen MagSafe case that I tried, I think had the worst magnets on it. But these aren't bad. They're not bad. They're not the best, but they're not bad. You know, this is the Apple MagSafe cable. I'm prepared this time. Yeah. So it's not bad. I'm not going to say it's fantastic. It's not Pataka level, but it's not bad. So on the whole, I really like this case. I think, if I'm being honest, if you were to ask me what's my two top cases for the iPhone 13 Pro Max, I think you're looking at them. I think you're looking at the Pataka Mag EZ Pro, and you're looking at the Caudabe Sheath for sure. These literally are my two favourite cases so far of the year. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Let me know, what do you think? Have you got one of these? Would you like one of these? Let me know in the comments down below. Is this your sort of thing? This textured finish on the case? I really like it. And this does come in other colours as well, which is good. So, whereas the Pataka only comes in this colour. So that about wraps it up for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the Caudabe Sheath case, and also let me know if there's any cases that you want me to feature that I haven't featured already. There's tons of cases out there. I can't get them all, so if there's any you want me to feature, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll do my best to pick them up and review them for you. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that like button. Massively appreciate it. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and to be notified of new videos just like this one, ring that little bell. I'm going to go now, and I'm going to spend about a week with the Caudabe Sheath and see how it compares with my long time Pataka case, and I'll follow up with that, and I'll follow up with that a bit later. So yeah, until the next one, guys, I'll catch you later.